my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll still explain how to use Facebook app step by step. Today we'll explain how to autoplay videos while using Wi-Fi only on Facebook. Let me show you how can we do that. At first tap on Facebook app icon. Then click on 3 horizontal line which shown on top right. After that, press on Setting and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. Scroll down a little bit till we get Media. Then press on Wi-Fi only. Here we reach to the end of the video. On this video we explain how to autoplay video while using Wi-Fi only on Facebook. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.